Namaste everyone, welcome to Hamsa Yoga Center. This is Gayana. Today video is all about Grasshopper pose. This is a super dynamic pose with a twist, hip opener and arm balance as well. Before that, if you are a new visitor to our channel, do subscribe and let us begin our practice. We will begin with Lolasana. Your foot touches to the biceps and the knee touches to the biceps. Now slowly from here, slowly rock your legs right and left like this. I will show you from the sidewise. Make sure your left leg should be straight. So this is very helpful for the hip opening. It is very important for grasshopper pose. Let us do for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly release. Same way on the left leg. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly. Now the second step is, now slowly bend your right leg. Place your left ankle on the right above the right knee and stay here. If you want, now you should lock your foot complete and stay here. So in the beginning you feel stretch over the hip joint and the glute muscle as well. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly release. Same way repeat on the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly release and relax. And the third step is slowly come to the step 2. From here, bring your left leg close to your buttocks and slowly with the support of your hands, slowly buttocks up, hands forward, fingertips and stay here. From here, slowly lift your heels up and stay for few breaths. Five, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly release and buttocks down and relax. And the next step is, after lifting up the heels, slowly twist your body complete towards the left side. Bring your foot above the elbow and stay here. Okay? In the beginning, you may feel you can't able to breathe, but it's okay. Just stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. From here, now slowly bend your both elbows. First bend your left elbow. Now bend your right elbow, complete twist, complete body weight on the palms and stay here. After this, now slowly lift your, when you are able to ready, lift your leg up and stay. Now slowly release and relax. Now apply the all step. Slowly hands complete towards the left side. Place your foot above the elbows. Lift your heels up. Bend the elbows. When you're ready, lift your leg up. Now slowly complete straighten up your leg and stay here. If you want, you can turn your neck and stay. Now slowly bend the leg, drop the leg down and come up. The same way, repeat the all step on the other side as well. Slowly come to Lolasana position. Benefits: it stretches your hip and the wrist, improve the range of emotion and mobility in your spine, build strength in your arms and upper body, build balance, focus and confidence. I really hope this video is helpful for you with your practice. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family and comment down in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video.